The first 60 minutes after waking set the tone for your entire day. Here's how to architect yours intentionally. Cortisol peaks 30 to 45 minutes after waking. Peak focus window. Decision fatigue is real. Making choices depletes willpower all day. A scripted morning eliminates the "should I work out today" decision. 0 to 10 minutes. No phone. Drink water. 5-minute stretch or breath work. 10 to 30 minutes. High-value activity, exercise, journaling, or deep work. 30 to 60 minutes. Prep for day, review goals, eat, get ready. Start with just one new habit. Most people try to change everything at once. Connect habit to identity. I'm someone who exercises before checking phone. Track it for 21 days. Habit installation takes 21 to 66 days, not 21. Phone in the first 30 minutes. Other people's agendas hijack your brain. News before 9 a.m. Cortisol spike from negative news kills creativity. Skipping breakfast if you exercise. Cognitive performance drops significantly. Get my morning routine planner at https://www.etsy.com/shop/MoFlowCo. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.